Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Holden Captiva 5, stock reference number 5229. This shape runs from the first month 2011 through to the 6th month 2018. It has a Z22 D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. Z22 D1 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the lower radiator grille, upper radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet has 2 small dents, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, climate control type, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.